Hello students, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel. I will give number of short tricks. Okay. Question is, let n greater than or equal to 5 be an integer. If 9 power n minus 8n minus 1 equal to 64 alpha and 6 power n minus 5n minus 1 equal to 25 beta, then alpha minus beta is equal to. Now solution 9 power n minus 8n minus 1 equal to 64 alpha. This can be 9 can be written as 1 plus 8 whole power n minus 8n minus 1 equal to 64 alpha. That implies 1 plus x whole power n form nc naught 1 power n minus 0. 1 power n minus 0 1 power n. 1 power any value also 1. Any positive value 1. Okay. 1 power n minus 1 n minus 0 is 1. 8 power 0 also 1. nc1 1 power n minus 1 that also 1. 8 power 1. nc2 8 square plus nc3 8 cube plus nc4 8 power 4 plus and so on. ncn 8 power n minus 8n minus 1 equal to 64 alpha. This implies nc naught value is 1, nc1 value is n into 8 plus nc2 8 square plus nc3 8 cube plus and so on plus nc4 8 power 4 plus ncn value is 1 8 power n minus 8n minus 1 equal 64 alpha. Minus 8n plus 8n cancel. Minus 64 minus 1 plus 4 cancel. 64 taking this side 1 by 64 into nc2 8 square plus nc3 8 cube plus nc4 8 power 4 plus and so on plus 8 power n. Okay, ncn 8 power n. Okay, ncn value is 1 is equal to alpha. This can be written as 1 by 64 can be written as 1 by 8 square into nc2 8 square plus nc3 8 cube plus nc4 8 power 4 plus and so on 8 power n is equal to alpha. Total multiplying with 1 by n 8 square. 8 square by 8 square is 1. nc2 plus 8 cube by 8 square 8. nc3 8. Here nc4 8 square plus and so on plus 8 power n minus 2 is equal to alpha. This is equation number 1. Similarly, 6 power n minus 5n minus 1 equal 25 beta. This implies 1 plus 5 whole power n minus 5n minus 1 equal 25 beta. That implies 1 by 25 is equal to nc naught 1 plus x whole power form whole power n form nc naught plus nc1 5 plus nc2 into 5 square plus nc3 into this implies 1 plus x whole power n form nc naught 1 power n minus 0 is 1 5 power 0 also 1 plus nc1 5 power 1 nc2 5 square plus nc3 5 cube plus nc4 5 power 4 plus and so on plus ncn 5 power n minus 5n minus 1 equal to 25 beta. Okay, that implies nc naught is 1 1 plus n into 5 5n NC2 5 square plus NC3 5 cube plus NC4 5 power 4 and so on plus NCN value is 1 5 power n minus 5n minus 1 equal to 25 beta. Minus 5n plus 5n plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 25 taking this side, 1 by 25 into NC2 5 square plus NC3 5 cube plus NC4 5 power 4 and so on plus 5 power n is equal to beta. 1 by 25 can be written as 1 by 5 square. NC2 5 square plus NC3 5 cube, NC4 5 power 4 and so on 5 power n. Multiplying with 1 by 5 square. 1 by 5 square, 1 by 5 square cancelled. NC2 5 cube by 5 square is 5 plus NC3 5 plus NC4 5 power 4 by 5 square is 5 square plus and so on plus 5 power n by 5 square. 5 square taking numerator minus 5 power n minus 2 is equal to beta. This is number 2. 1 minus 2 implies RHS minus RHS, LHS minus LHS. Alpha minus beta is equal to alpha value NC2 plus NC3 8 plus NC4 8 square plus and so on 8 power n minus 2 minus of beta value NC2 plus NC3 5 plus NC4 5 square plus and so on plus 5 power n minus 2 minus NC2 plus NC2 cancelled. Alpha minus beta is equal, here NC3, here NC3 is there, NC3 common 8 minus 5. Here NC4 is there, NC4 8 square minus 5 square. The next term NC5 8 cube minus 5 cube plus and so on plus last here NCN. NCN means n1. Okay. Here NC4 is there, 8 square minus 5 square. Here NCN is here, NCN is there, 5 power n minus 2. Okay. 5 power 8 power n minus 2 minus 5 power n minus 2. That's enough. This is the final answer. 4 power 22 upon 15 is equal to. This is very easy method, very easy problem. This is number of times repeated in JEE mains. Now solution. 4 power 22 by 15 can be written as 4 square whole power 1011. 1011 into 2, 2022 by 15. This can be written as 16 power 1011 by 15. 16 can be written as 15 plus 1 whole power 1011. What is this formula here? 1 plus x plus a whole power 10 whole power n, x plus a whole power n formula. Okay. Expanding this, 1011 C naught 15 power 1011 plus 1011 C1 15 power 1011 minus 1 1010. 1 power 1 is 1. Here 1 power 0 is 1. Okay. 1011 C2 15 power, sorry, here 9. 1011, right? Here 1009, right? Plus and so on plus last term 1011 C 1011 15 power 1011 minus 1011 0. 1 power 1011 is 1. Okay. By 15. 1 by 15 into to these terms except this, all terms having 15. So 15p here plus when 1011c 1011 is 1 NCN form 1, 15 power 0 also 1. Okay, 15 into something, 15 into something, 15 total having p. Okay, 15p by 15 plus 1 by 15. P is equal to p plus 1 by 15. Here fractional part is 1 by 15. That's enough.